excited to introduce our first special performance of the night. They have won multiple Juno Awards, have a huge tour planned for this summer, and are here to sing Beautiful off their multi-platinum album, Storm. Give it up for Henley!
1, 2, 3, 4.
City cold, the moonlight bright, mountains old, I watch the water. Someone's old friend, someone's lover, someone's sister, someone's daughter. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she everything you need? Isn't she everything you need? Yeah. Child of earth with gentle hands, wind in hair and toes in sand. Make you laugh, she'll make you listen. Nothing's broken, nothing's missing. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she everything you need? Isn't she everything you need? Hey! Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she everything you need? Isn't she everything you need? Yeah.
Amazing to have you guys here. Congratulations on everything. And there's more. I hear you have some exciting news to share.
We do have some exciting news to share. We were releasing a brand new single this week. We're not going to tell you what it's called. It's not even on any record that we have. We just wrote it, just cut it. It comes out at the end of the week. You can check on headleyonline.com for more info. And we will be tweeting a couple little tidbits of information as the week goes on. But
we'll do this. Now, you guys are veteran rock stars at this point, so tell me, living out your dream, your passion every single day on the stage has got to be amazing, and that's what our finalists are hoping to get by the end of the night. So what advice would you impart on them?
You know, to be quite honest, you got to get to catering early for the show. Sometimes the chicken stays longer and it gets dry on the top, so what you want to do is you really want to strike while it's hot.
Very good advice from the veterans. Give it up one more time for Henley. Thank you so much for being here, guys. You sounded fantastic. We are so close to crowning our champion, so do not go anywhere. Keep it locked. Thank you.